Two-factor authentication not working on Simplicity's fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on Simplicity's, you might feel locked out of your account, but don't worry, the fix is often fast and simple once you know what to check. Most people get this wrong because they assume it's a system error, but in reality, it's almost always a local issue on your device. First, check your phone's clock settings. Two-factor authentication depends on time-based codes that must match Simplicity's servers exactly. Go into your phone settings, enable set time automatically, and make sure your time zone is correct. If you use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, open it, go to time correction for codes and hit sync now. Next, make sure your apps are up to date. Outdated versions of either Simplicity's or your authenticator app can cause your codes to fail. Visit your app store, update both, and then try again. If you're using SIMs-based verification and the code doesn't arrive, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, switch networks, or restart your phone. This often resolves signal or delivery delays. If you've changed phones, reinstalled your authenticator, or reset your device, you'll need to recover your account. On the Simplicity login page, tap Can't Access VA and follow the recovery instructions. Once verified, you can set up new two-factor authentication to secure your account again. Here's a helpful reminder: always keep your backup recovery code somewhere safe. These can instantly restore access if your device or authenticator stops working. So, if your two-factor authentication isn't working on Simplicity's, don't panic. Think your time, update your apps, and refresh your connection. With just a few quick fixes, you'll be back in your account, managing your investments safely and with peace of mind.